This tree plantation drive is organized by Kharadi Housing Society Welfare Association. We have a good support from senior citizens group also from Kharadi, and number of trees that we are going to plant in this particular drive, that is for today, is around 250, and we are going to plant the saplings onto the divider side as well. So you can see this is the Global Pistachio site. Next will be the Forest Conti site, where it is near to the gate number 3 and opposite to the D-Mart. Next week also we are going to plant the drive, and that will be near to the Nati Alicia plot and nearest to the Gulmore Orchid and Gera Bungalows. So this is all about the drive for now. Thank you.
If you know any other place where we can plant the trees, let us know. We are always there to support and plant the trees. Go green.
मी बलवंत पेशकर पेशवामध्ये काम करतो आणि आम्ही जे प्लांटेशनचं केलं आहे याला इऑनमधनं प्रचंड प्रतिसाद मिळालेला आहे. आम्हाला खराडी ग्रीन खराडी करायची, जेणेकरून आपल्या पुढच्या पिढीला त्याचा फायदा होतो. धन्यवाद.
हाय, मेरा नाम है प्रत्युष सिंह. मैंने ये न्यूक्लियस जिम का मेंबर मैं पिछले लगभग 1 महीने से हूँ. जिम का एनवायरनमेंट काफ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है. यहाँ पे जो भी लोग हैं वो लोग सब लोग जिम में काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्सपर्ट्स हैं. काफ़ी लोग हैं यहाँ पे जिन्होंने मतलब बहुत सालों से यहाँ पे उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया हुआ है, मतलब बहुत सालों से ये सारे मशीन यूज़ कर रहे हैं. और स्पेशली यहाँ की मशीन्स काफ़ी एफिशिएंट है. तो यहाँ की जो भी मशीन है वो मतलब कि इन कॉम्बिनेशन हम लोग करते हैं. तो जैसे कि मैं अपने खुद की अगर बात करूँ तो मैं करता हूँ यहाँ पे मोस्टली, अभी मैंने रिसेंटली स्टार्ट किया फुल बॉडी वर्कआउट करना, क्योंकि फुल बॉडी में बेसिकली मुझे थोड़ा सा मास अभी गेन करना था. काफ़ी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा स्लिम हो गया था. तो यहाँ पे जो भी मशीन जैसे ये लैट पुल डाउन मशीन हो गया, या फिर मोस्टली जो मेरे केबल्स है वो मेरे फेवरेट है. और केबल मशीन जो है उसमें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हो जाती है, और वो काफ़ी एकदम एग्जैक्टली भाई जो आप मतलब हिट करना चाहते हैं वो उसी को हिट करता है. तो ओवरऑल इट्स अ वेरी गुड जिम. आई वुड रिकमेंड एनीवन टू जॉइन इट.
वेलकम टू दी रोमा खराडी. हमारा ये शॉप खराडी में फाउंटेन रोड के पास है. हमारी ये फर्स्ट आउटलेट है खराडी की, और अभी हमारे पास न्यू फ्लेवर लॉन्च हुआ है. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास फ्लेवर है चॉकलेट, ऑरेंज चॉकलेट हमारे पास अभी न्यू फ्लेवर आया है. हमारे पास आप कप में, कोन में और डबल स्कूप, सिंगल स्कूप ले सकते हो. और जोमेटो, स्विगी पे हमारे पास ऑफर भी रहती है बाय 1 गेट 1 फ्री. अभी फ़िलहाल में हमारे पास बाय 1 गेट 1 फ्री की ऑफर चालू है, जिसमें आप हाफ केजी पैक ले सकते हैं 500 ग्राम का, जो 300 में मिलता है. और सिंगल स्कूप आप 60 रुपीज़ में ले सकते हैं, डबल स्कूप 100 रुपीज़ में अभी ऑफर में चालू है. तो टाइम सुबह 10 से रात के 12 बजे तक चालू रहता है. आप कभी भी आ सकते हैं. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हमारे पास अभी सिंगल स्कूप कोन में जो 65 रुपीज़ का है, इसमें आपने क्या अलग फ्लेवर का भी स्कूप ले सकते हो. 2 स्कूप के 110 रुपीज़ होता है, और आप इसमें अलग अलग फ्लेवर आपके चॉइस के ले सकते हैं.
तो सर अभी आपको 2 डिफरेंट फ्लेवर में मिल जाएंगे कोन में. जैसे आप ले सकते हैं, इसके ऊपर है काला जामुन नीचे पिस्ताशियो। तो आप कोन में ऐसे 2 डिफरेंट फ्लेवर ले सकते हैं, या फिर आप कप में भी डिफरेंट फ्लेवर ट्राई कर सकते हैं। जैसे ब्लूबेरी हो गया, काला जामुन, रोज़ पेटल आप ले सकते हैं, सीताफल है, न्यू फ्लेवर में कलकत्ती पान है। ऐसे अलग अलग फ्लेवर है, आप कॉम्बिनेशन ले सकते हैं सब। इनके साथ हाफ के जी के पैक भी आते हैं, ओनली 300 में आपको हाफ के जी का मिल जाएगा। ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल मिल जाएगा आपको, बाकी आप शॉप पे भी विजिट कर सकते हैं। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये साइज़ के हमारे पास बॉक्स रहते हैं। ये हाफ के जी का एक बॉक्स रहता है, ये आपको ओनली 300 रुपीज़ में पड़ जाएगा। इसमें आप डिफरेंट फ्लेवर ले सकते हैं जो आपको चाहिए, और आपको ऑनलाइन में मिल जाएगा सब ऐसे।
I generally don't like to experiment when it comes to ice cream, but this place has been recommended by one of my friends, and it's raining today, so what better weather is there to try an ice cream? So let's find out what Diroma's 100% natural ice cream has to offer to us. Let's go and see. So what makes Diroma special? Well, they have sourced it directly from the fruits, blend and churned with love, and they have these fruit-based ice creams as well. This is a brand which is born in Italy but made in India. They have their outlets in Viman Nagar as well as in Kothur. So now let's take a look at the variety of flavors that they have, and today we are going to try their new flavor, that is orange chocolate. So let's see how it tastes. This is their orange chocolate. Let me take a bite and see. It's delicious. You must try it.
Hi everyone, we came to Kharadi. So today we found a new ice cream parlor near to our apartment, Cheryl. So this is Diroma. Quite nice. We tried out lots of items. We got this dark chocolate from here, and she's having the dark chocolate in the phone, and she's liking it. Thanks everyone.
Ones which are 8, 7 and above, those are 10%.
Hi.
Hello.
I just happened to come across your store. So can you tell me what all collection you have?
So we are called Stitching Squad. We are our first outlet in Kharadi, and we give premium stitching services to clients. We also have extra add-on services of having ready-to-wear fabrics with customization and a lot of unstitched variety. So we focus on a lot of North Indian taste. We have a lot of, because I'm a North Indian, so we have a lot of different variety, which I think Pune misses out on.
Right.
So we chose Kharadi to begin with, and there are a lot of heavy to wear, like heavy, which you can wear for functions and other things. So there's a lot of variety. You can look through our collection. So there's a range of Lucknowi. There are beautiful crepes. There's a lot of embroidered product also. If you can see, so these are beautifully hand embroidered.
These are hand embroidered.
Yes, this is hand embroidered. We also provide embroideries. So if someone comes with a sari blouse and they're looking for an embroidery to be done and stitched, we also give that service. So a lot of services to do with stitchings and creating more designs to your garment is what our motto is, and we've been running with that.
And what is the specific fabric that you use? All kinds of fabric?
We have premium fabric, so we do not focus on anything synthetic. We have nothing synthetic in our store.
So all sustainable and all natural?
Yes, natural, sustainable, and mainly pure fabrics, which can be silks, chanderis, cottons, mulls, crepes, everything which are beautifully pure. So lot of pure fabrics.
Do you also have bridal collection?
We cater to brides, so we have pre-bridal collection. During the wedding season, we have a lot of bridal collection also. We have lehengas, we have shararas, gararas, everything. So we specialize in our sari blouses. So a lot of brides already have reached us to us, saying that we need our wedding gown, we need our wedding blouses or whatever. Ready to wear. There's a lot of detail in them. So there are heavy shararas and gararas with them. This is a nice tulip dhoti pant with a silk kurta and dupatta.
Beautiful collection.
Yeah, thank you. And our price point. So our price point is also very nicely kept. We do not have, we don't have, which is very expensive. So this garment is just at a 7,800 rupees. So pricings, and these are the latest Hira Mandi garments.
Very much in fashion. Interesting.
So these are all pre-bridal.
Right.
So a bride can have these for their bridal collection. Yeah, these are the raras and shararas.
Okay.
Beautiful festive colors, brides.
Nice
pastels. Yeah.
So now you know that this is your one-stop solution at Kharadi, where you can choose from a wide range of daily wear, pre-bridal, as well as festive, occasional wear, dresses, dress materials, stitching, etc. Plus, if you want, you can also get a lot of collection from the men's section as well as for kids. So here we have our excellent collection of daily wear. So you can choose from cotton, you can choose from other fabrics, which are again purely sustainable products. And then you also have some products which can be used for occasions, festives, etc. So you have a wide range of collection to choose from. So whenever you are at Kharadi, do visit Stitching Squad at Clover Galleria. Welcome to Natraj Bhel since 1987. I have tried their Bhel Puri, Pani Puri, SPDP, Samosa chaat at all of their branches, and their taste is absolutely unique. So you are going to love it. Whenever you're in Kharadi or in Vimannagar, make sure to visit this place. Their best part is, if you want to try any of their dishes, they also have a variation in cheese. So for example, if you want, you can try pav bhaji, or you should also try their cheese pav bhaji, which is unique in taste as well as in flavor. And trust me, you're going to love it. Another interesting thing, whenever you have this craving for chaat, SPDP Bhel, just order online on Zomato or Swiggy, and you will surely get the same taste, packaged beautifully, made with love, and you're going to enjoy it a lot. Natraj Bhel started in 1987, and I have been their loyal customer since 2010. I have visited all their branches, and trust me, the taste remains exactly the same since 2010 till date. My favorite is Bhel Puri, cold coffee. I love their Pani Puri and also the Samosa chaat. In fact, my mother loves the Samosa chaat as well as the Dahi Puri. So many times we order it even at home. You must visit Natraj Bhel and try all of these dishes, their Dahi chaat as well as their variety of Bhel Puri. And trust me, you are going to love it. Absolutely.
Hey, I'm Pranav. So I recently came from Gurgaon to Kharadi, right? It's been, I would say, close to a month over here. So over here I came for my job, and uske alawa the other part is just to explore out a bit over here. So I'd say Kharadi, to be very honest, is a lot developed as to what I thought it would be, because I've been from Gurgaon. So it's like a totally adverse place. But the weather over here is very good. I've been to Joshi Vada Pav, I've been to Yavle's over here. Yavle's tea is the best, I would say. It's still a lot for me to cover up in Kharadi, but as of now, it's a lovely place. I mean, the whole weather is lovely over here. So like, मैंने अभी तक कभी भेल ढंग से try नहीं किया था, तो I came to the Natraj Bhel over here. So हमने first SPDP try करा था, then आपका तरी भेल try करा था, अभी एक भेल pack भी कराया हुआ है. We had the coffee as well over here. So I mean, all together it was good, and we had the golgappe as well. So this was something new कि मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं खाया था, but this place is really good for this one. So still recommend it.